And you said that you get involved in the process pre, during, and post divorce. Do
Mm.
What is your role like when it's in the middle of a divorce? Are you meeting with their assumable attorney, or
Hmm.
your role is outside that scope to kind of set them up for what is going to happen?
Yeah, so first of all, it depends on the attorney, quite frankly, because some attorneys are uncomfortable with having me involved or anybody else involved in a phone call or something due to client confidentiality issues and so forth. Others are not, and when I'm involved in that conference call or Zoom, or if I'm in a room, then everything is discussed. But it's important to understand that I'm only working with the wife. I only work with
Yeah.
women. So I don't go into a room, and I'm sitting there in a collaborative setting, let's say,
Right.
and I'm the coach for the entire team there. No, I'm not. I'm representing the woman, and that's who I work with. But you have to be involved to a degree. If the attorney, for instance, is not comfortable in sharing information with me directly, that's fine. Then it gets shared through the client, right? And maybe
Right.
emails get forwarded to me, and I take a look at them. During the divorce, I'd say that my job is fairly limited. It's really often a function of helping my client to fill out FL forms, for instance, or and maybe it's not even helping filling out the forms. Maybe it's just getting the information together so
Mhm.
that the forms can be filled out by somebody else. Like, I may not be involved in the actual completion of the form,
Right.
but you got to have information, and not, in some situations when you've got a marriage where it's not terribly open, you got to really search. You got to go digging for that information. Sometimes my clients don't always have access. A little tough.
For sure. The document prep that I do for the last 10 years. So people that are able to reach an agreement on their own or kitchen table, what have you, us, and they can avoid going to court. Like your service, that's just one more tool in the toolkit to help people remain, amicable, which is my goal.